how many days would you expect to be washing?
We're not talking days, we're now talking hours. Really and truly, in the month you would gain in 1 year, you'd pay for the entire trailer. This came out of my own frustration of, I started with the small pump, and then I tried to add 2 pumps, and then some water supplies you couldn't use 2, and some places you could, but you know, you never knew quite how to gauge that till you got on site. And then one day I'm like, I'm gonna get a big boy. Got the big boy, and now you could only run the big boy some places, and it was just like, what do I do? And of course I have this itch that constantly has to be scratched of how do I become more efficient and faster and still get a good job done. And this, you know, the ProWash Trailer System was born out of that. This morning you were talking about those roofs that have the aluminized asphalt. Well, I don't have to work as hard to clean those up. I don't have to spend as much time because it blows that stuff apart. And the TPOs, you're able to just stay back a little bit farther and be faster and more efficient. The part that's really good is, you know, sometimes you go into a roof that's doesn't have the greatest drainage, and you're going to make drainage modifications, and you have to push some ponding water out to be able to clean it. Well, the big pumps make it easy to push that water to wherever you need to go. Instead of spending a lot of time with solvent cleaners to make different modifications to the roof, I like to pressure wash it first and then do my modifications. You know, so that's kind of my system of doing it. It's not the per day cost, it's really now how many more projects can I fit into a season? So if you could save a day here, a day here, a day here, and a day here, now that's another 15,000 square foot of metal roof that I could do. What's your profit on a 15,000 square foot metal roof? That was just 4 months where we gained a month of time. Now some of you guys that are in Florida, whoop, you know, and I don't know, what do you guys make in a month in your coating season? Everything's mounted in the trailer, it stays in the trailer, you pull hose. It's very efficient. Oh my goodness, I don't even know. I wouldn't want to go back to the way we used to do it.